Good morning. We are ready for the breakfast. So, first of all, I am going to chop these onions and bell peppers. We're gonna make omelet. You see, they're too long. Bugs. Oh, I think I should have toasted the bread first, but it's okay now. Some salt and pepper. Okay, let's put it in. I'm not sure if I will be able to flip it in one piece, but we can try. It will be hard. I will have to do it sooner than later, otherwise it's gonna burn. Broke it already. See? Alright guys, I guess it wasn't meant to be. This needs to be flipped a little. This part. Oh well. I think it's done, guys. What do you think? I think it's done. Okay. I can go like this. Time is 9 o'clock, so I will be checking out in another hour or so. This is good. Too much butter. Yeah. I think it's good. It's here. Okay. Nice and quiet. All right, I think that's done. Wow. Let's do this. Yeah, that's more than enough. Little burn? Nah, it's okay. I didn't see it. Let me turn this off. Yeah, it's hot. Come on. There you go. Okay. I already have my coffee. There you go. Oh, that's good. You know, jalapeno peppers, tomatoes, cheese. Yeah. Didn't do it this time. Still, it's okay. It is going to be okay. There you go. So, Everything is done right here, right here. Okay, these are your 2 sandwiches. This one is a little burnt, don't pay attention to it. It's good, really good. I think jalapenos and cheese would have made it much better. Still very good. It is burnt or overcooked. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna finish it up, pack it, and then head home. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.